I've got a fun, inexpensive recipe today. You can make this on any of the grills you have, any of the smokers you have, or you can make it in your oven. We're gonna break out some ground chuck, some cheese, and some eggs. I know what you're thinking, but this ain't your mama's meatloaf. I've got 2 pounds, 80/20 ground chuck here. We may not eat it all, but it comes in 1 pound packages, right? I've got a half an onion. Here I've got a teaspoon of minced garlic. Now you can use breadcrumbs. I'm using coconut flour. It's a half a cup because I'm doing this keto thing. I've got 2 eggs I'm going to put in here. There's one more. I'm going to get in here with my hands and get this all mixed in together. All right, so we've got our ground beef all mixed up. Now what I've got here is a pan, right? You can see it. This is the disposable kind. I don't have to wash any dishes. That's just a little olive oil. Just gonna wipe it all around my pan. It'll help our loaf from not sticking. Now we're gonna come back in this pan with our ground beef. Fill her up the best you can. And it's actually going to take the whole 2 pounds, so great. I'm not going to have to worry about any leftover. Now, what we want to do, kind of get it level. It's got a jar here. What I want to do is make an impression in this. I saw the video, they used a glass. I'm sure you can use a glass if you have one the right size. Okay, now, you see what we've got there? I've got some of this Everglades cactus rub, barbecue rub. It's low in sugar. You could put just salt and pepper on this if you wanted, right? I like to have a little of that barbecue flavor. Then I'm coming in here, I have 2 pieces of ham, right? We're gonna lay in 2 pieces of ham down in there. Then I'm going to come in, this is a softened cream cheese, parsley, chives, and garlic that I mixed up, right? Just want to get it all squished down in there real good. Now I still got like a little boat feature in there, little indentation. Coming in, that's 1 piece. There's our second piece, we just lay in there. What about one more right in the middle? So far, so good. Now I've got 1 egg, 2 eggs. I don't know, do you think we can get a third one? I don't know. I kind of busted the one, you can see. We're going to try to go with 3. And actually, guys, I think what I'm going to do is scoop this one out. It's just not looking that great. I busted it. You know, of course, taste-wise, it's not going to hurt at all, right? Just not going to look with the presentation that I want. I'm just going to scoop him out. We'll leave those 2 in there. Then I'm going to come in with just a little bit more. And just get this barbecue rub all around the edge. And we're going to let this sit here a few minutes and get our pellet grill ready. I'm using lychee pellets today. You can use any pellet you want. And we're going to set this pellet grill on 350 degrees. Carefully get this on our pellet grill. Down here away from the fire. Fire's up here. Get the lid down, let her go. I checked on the meatloaf in an hour. It was probing 145 degrees. So we just kept on cooking. 2 hours, I think we're ready to go. Let's get this grill lit up. Let me pull it out here so you can see it a little bit better. You can see our temperature there, 165, 167. We need 165. We're good. I'm going to cut off 1 slice here. Kind of fell apart on us there, didn't it? Kind of move it over. You can see that cheesy goodness bursting out. Bursting? Is that the word? It is falling apart a little bit. I think I should have used a little bit more of the coconut flour. The first time I used that coconut flour, probably should have used at least a quarter to a third cup more. Let's get off this cheesy goodness. Hope you can see it. There's that ham. Going to get a bite of this meatloaf. And it's going to be a big bite. Here we go. You get that cream cheese sauce right away. I tasted the ham, of course. And then, right, you get the beef. Now, I'm not much of a fan of traditional meatloaf with, tomatoes in it and green peppers and all that. I absolutely love this.